Hi, today I'll show you how to make soft, creamy, and slightly tangy cream cheese yourself. And get nearly 3 pounds for the same price you'd pay in a store for just 1 pound, even on sale. Welcome to my kitchen and to cooking show at home. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients in the description below. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Now let's begin. Pour a gallon of milk, or milk plus 2 cups of heavy cream for a creamier version, into a heavy bottomed saucepan. Bring it to a gentle simmer over medium-high heat. Don't let it boil. Once it's hot, turn the heat down and add the lemon juice or vinegar and salt. Stir well. You'll see the milk curdle right before your eyes. Next, pour the curdled milk through a cheesecloth-lined sieve to separate the curds from the whey. Save about 1 cup of whey for later. Rinse the curds with cold water to remove any sour taste. You can even taste it to make sure it's not acidic. Then squeeze out as much liquid as possible. Transfer the curds into a food processor or blender and blend until perfectly smooth and creamy.
Looks like my cat Bushia wants to be the sous chef today. Cats always show up right when something smells interesting. What are we two planning to cook together? More cream cheese magic?
If your cream cheese feels too thick, add a bit of the saved whey to adjust the texture. Now is also a great time to add any extra flavors, fresh herbs, garlic, or spices. But I'll keep mine plain since I'll use it later to bake a cheesecake. Because this cream cheese is made from fresh milk with no preservatives, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 to 10 days. Enjoy your homemade cream cheese on a fresh bagel or use it to make a delicious cheesecake. It's rich, creamy, and completely natural, and it won't break your wallet. Please like this video and subscribe for more tasty and easy homemade recipes. Thank you for watching, and come back soon. In my next video, I'll show you how to use your 3 pounds of cream cheese to bake an amazing cheesecake. See you next time.